Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue for your BMW F10 if the Bluetooth is not working. So what you can try to do is this. You want to first unpair your car from the phone and your phone from the car. So you want to go on your phone to settings, then go to connections, then go to Bluetooth, and right here you're going to have BMW. And what you want to do is go to settings and you're going to have unpair there. Do you see that? So unpair it. And then also unpair your phone from the car. This is the first thing. And the next thing that you can try to do is this. I know what kind of BMW you got, but you want to just like press and hold the volume button for about, let's say 30 to 60 to 80 seconds until it's going to reset. And then also another thing that you can try to do is maybe you're gonna have like this arrow to the top and also this button. So either you're gonna have the arrow with the volume knob and just press and hold those two buttons for like 2-3 seconds, or just press and hold the volume button for 60 seconds, or just press and hold the mode button with the volume button. So there are like mixed ways on how we can do it. Try it out, and if this doesn't also work, what you then want to do is that you just want to like try to use different phone. Like maybe it's going to work out. I hope it does for you. Have a great day and goodbye.